what happened was in September or October of last year, got a call from a good friend from Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia, who basically said, Mirsad, the country is in a dangerous spot. It's about to disintegrate. There may not be another election. If you ever thought about helping out in a way of public office, this is your chance. I thought about it. I talked to maybe 10 people who I trusted. All of them said, don't do it. It's hard, cemented, nothing can be done. It's over. And I said, well, it's a good challenge then. Talked to the family. They warned me, you know, it's going to be a character assassination. There is physical danger possibility. It's really dirty politics, time back there. I talked to the State Department.
U.S. State Department?
U.S. State Department. I asked for their advice. They clearly cannot be on the side of one candidate or another. They said it is hard, but if you look at it long term, it might be successful. New blood, fresh ideas are needed. We encourage people to actually do it. So then I decided to actually do it, primarily because of the sense of duty and obligation. I really believe that we all owe it to the community we live in or are responsible for to do whatever we can to contribute. So I decided to actually do it. Went on the national TV on January 12th. Basically said, here I am. I would like to run as an independent candidate without affiliation with any party. My message was positive. I had three components. Let's put the country first. Let's talk about the economy. Let's talk about youth. I projected belief that it can be done. People reacted with a sense of hope, and the reaction was overwhelmingly positive.